Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, we're going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to bleach my hair. And I know you've seen me bleach my hair before a few times, but on this video, I'm going to test out a product that I've never tried before. We're going to test out Ion Color Brilliance Oil Lightener. It's Creme Oil Lightener. And I've never tried this product before, but I saw lots of search results looking for a tutorial on this, so I thought I would give it a try. I just got back from my local Sally store and I picked up the Ion Color Brilliance Oil Lightener, and I also got some 20 volume developer and some new tint brushes because mine is looking all busted. They're like totally wrecked. So time for some new brushes. Kind of matches my shirt. I also picked up one of my favorite blonde conditioning shampoos, and that is the Blonde Brilliance Color Care Cool Blonde Lathering Toner. Alright, so let's jump right into trying out the Creme Oil Lightener by Ion Color Brilliance. So it says, perform a strand test prior to application. Do not use on hair in poor condition. Probably fine. Pour 4 fluid ounces of the Sensitive Scalp Cream Developer 20 volume. Got it. Into an applicator or bowl. Add contents of 2 activators. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. We've got this bottle, which is the lightening oil, and it says it's got argan oil in it as well. And then there is 4 packages in here. And these are powder. And this is activator. Add contents of 2 activators. Cover top of applicator, mix until dissolved. What? 4 ounces of developer, 20 volume, into a bowl. Add 2 activators. Then add 2 ounces of oil mix. How many ounces of developer? Although this is called activator, I guess this is the bleach powder. We're about to find out. Okay, so some of the other things you might need. Get some gloves, a towel just in case you spill anything, so make sure you've got one of those. And also maybe a shirt that you don't want to ruin. So let me just switch into this quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. Alright, so gloves. And we've got our bowl. I'm going to wrap my towel around me just for safe measure because I always tend to drop it on my pants. So maybe I should put it on my lap for now. Alright, and on the inside of my bowl has little markings which show the ounces on there. I'm not usually big on measuring these things, but that's what we'll do. So I've got 4 fluid ounces of developer. Got my 2 packages. Two activators. Mix until dissolved. And then add 2 ounces of the oil. Okay. Alright, so let's open up these new brushes. So we've got red, pink, purple, purple, blue, blue, green. I think we'll use the purple one today to match the purple bowl. Alright, so mix that together, it says. And now I'm going to, it seems really runny, but I'm used to using the cream developer, which is a lot thicker. So now I'm going to use this. I'm going to add 2 ounces of this. There's 4 ounces in the bottle, so that's half the bottle. Math. It's just, it seems like it's going to be really runny. Alright, so let's give it a go. Just trying to get this all incorporated. It's surprisingly actually getting thicker and thicker. That's not what I was expecting. Like it's not too runny anymore. Okay, right on. Well, that's good. Alright, I like the consistency this turned out. So you just want to make sure you cover up anything you don't want to get bleach on, because pretty much as soon as bleach touches anything, it wrecks it. Unless it's your hair, which it also wrecks. Also, my hair is not washed, and it is just styled with water, because you're not supposed to wash your hair right before you bleach it, because the natural oils from your scalp and your hair will protect your scalp when it's being bleached. So don't scrub your hair right before you apply to dry hair. When desired lightness has been achieved, rinse thoroughly, follow with color treatment to help oxidization process. The development time depends on the condition of the hair and the desired lightening result. The total development time should not exceed 50 minutes. Do not use heat, okay? Application of heat is not required to achieve professional results. Discard any unused mixture. Pretty much the same as the Creme developer instructions. It just depends on your desired lightening results. So let's go ahead and get this applied. So as normal, I'm going to just start on the sides. Oh, I really need my mirror. Oh, another good thing to have handy is some Kleenex or paper towel in case you get it on your ears, face, whatever, on your skin. So I started there. If you are dyeing long hair, you want to make sure you start on the roots and work your way up, because your scalp has naturally occurring heat, and as it said on the box, don't use heat. And now that I'm saying that, I'm thinking maybe I should have done the length first, but my hair is pretty much all the same length, so it should be fine. But if you have long hair, start on the lengths first and make sure you really saturate the hair so there's no missed spots. I complained to my hairdresser that my hair was thinning in the front, and she said, well, how many years have you been bleaching it for? Starting to develop, so I better speed up a little bit. Okay, I set a timer for 20 minutes, and I'm just going to clean up some of the mess that I made. I am noticing a few things about this hair bleach though. It doesn't seem to be irritating my skin or my scalp at all. Usually bleach gets pretty warm and irritates your skin, but this doesn't seem to be doing that, which is nice. Also, it says it's enriched with wheat protein and argan oil, so I imagine it's actually pretty good for my hair too. But it's really yellow. I hope this continues to lighten. So I imagine that after the 20 minutes, I will need to set another timer for longer, but sometimes a lower volume bleach for a longer amount of time gives you better results. So stay tuned to find out. Okay, so that was 20 minutes. My hair is still pretty yellow. So I'm going to set it for another, let's do 15 minutes more, and I'll be back in 15 minutes. I'm back, and it's been another 15 minutes, so 20 minutes and 15 minutes, that's 35 minutes. It's still looking really yellow. Okay, I'm going to set a timer for another 15 minutes, and that's like the maximum amount of time that I can do on this. So here we go. Okay, so that 15 minutes is up, and my hair is still looking pretty yellow, but I can't really wait any longer. That's the longest amount of time it said I could leave this on for. So I'm going to wash it out, and I'm back. So as I predicted, my hair is pretty yellow. However, my scalp does not hurt at all. This seems to be a very, very gentle bleach. I'm going to use a toning shampoo on this anyway. I'm going to use this blonde Brilliance lathering toner, Cool Blonde. I will do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the lathering toner, and I love the smell of this. And it says it is the ultimate blonde experience. So it is an extra strength toner with coconut oil, so that helps your hair strength. And the directions say, apply to wet hair, leave in 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse. Use Cool Blonde's lathering toner as much as needed to counteract unwanted warm undertones. We'll leave that 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you the final result of my bleach and toned hair. Okay, I'm back. And as you can see, My hair is toned, it is not super yellow anymore, and the tips are quite white. So a good purple toning shampoo can really work wonders. I would say overall, I do like this oil lightener. Not as much as the Creme lightener. This seems to, honestly, this oil just seems to dilute the bleach. Like, I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know what this is actually made of. It says it has argan oil in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, do not smell that. Okay, it's definitely some kind of chemical. Wow. It seems like a lower volume bleach than if you were to just do a regular 20 volume bleach. I think the oil is diluting it, although definitely has some ammonia or something in there. My eyes are burning. I'm not really sure. It's a little bit weird. Like, I don't know why we're adding oil into the hair dye. I'm not sure. I mean, it definitely lightened my hair. The one thing that I would absolutely recommend, if you have sensitive scalp or you find that you get like really itchy or burning from bleaching your hair, this absolutely did not give me any sort of redness even. Like, usually my scalp is pretty red after I bleach my hair, but this is definitely good for that. If you have sensitive scalp, I would give this a try. The Creme bleach definitely does like 8 levels of lift. I would say this was maybe 6 or 5 levels. It definitely worked. It's just not what I'm used to, and I'm not sure if I would reach for that as my first resort next time. But yeah, definitely a good product. Definitely good for sensitive scalp. My hair feels nice. My hair doesn't feel destroyed. However, it's not super strong. Like, my hair is still a pale yellow, and I can definitely achieve a brighter bleach result using like a cream or a powder bleach without the oil. So I'm not sure. I guess if you really want wheat protein and argan oil in your hair. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video using the Ion Brilliance Oil Lightener. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description down below. And I'll see you for another video next time. Bye! One thing that you might want to do if you've just bleached your hair is use a conditioning treatment. So this is a deep penetrating conditioning reconstructor by Joico. It's called K-Pack. And I will use that and just leave it on for like 5 or 10 minutes just to sort of repair my hair because I do bleach it a lot. So highly recommend a conditioning product to use afterwards, a hair mask or this is a deep penetrating reconstructor. So I would recommend something like that. If you're going to be bleaching your hair, don't forget to take care of it. There's a piece of confetti glitter in my hair. How many ounces of developer?